Here's a question on Fibonacci series. It's a series that obeys a rule, but it's a specific rule, and the rule is that the next term in the series is generated by the sum of the previous two terms. So let's write the series down, and the question asks us to find the ninth term. Well, it's simply a matter of continuing on. The seventh term will be generated by adding 5 and 8, so we get 13. 8 and 13, 21. 13 and 21, 34. And if I've done the arithmetic right, 34 is the answer to the ninth term. And that was part A. Part B links algebra with a Fibonacci series. And they're saying the first three terms of a different Fibonacci series are A, B, A plus B. So let's write that down. 1, 2, 3. So again, it's just a matter of working out what term 4 is, then 5, then 6. Term 4 will be A plus 2B. And this will be 2A plus 3B. And this will be 3A plus 5B. And happily, that matches what the question suggests. And we've shown that the sixth term is 3A plus 5B. So they're now asking us a supplementary question where, given that the third term is 7 and the sixth term is 29, find the values of A and B. This is going to produce two simultaneous equations. They're going to be linear simultaneous equations, two equations, two unknowns. They are solvable. So we've just got to write the equations down. Well, we can solve these two simultaneous equations by either eliminating one of our variables here or just finding A in terms of the others. So A is equal to, the 7 hasn't moved, we subtract B from both sides, which turns up on the right-hand side as negative B. Then we put that result into equation 2 and work it out. The other way to do it is to multiply equation 1 by 3, which makes these two guys have the same coefficient. So this is a modified version of equation 1 multiplied by 3. And what we can do is we can now subtract our modified version from equation 2 and produce a result. 3A take away 3A is 0. That's after all what we planned. 5B take away 3B is positive 2B. And 29 take away 21 is 8. And hopefully you can see very easily that B is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Not quite finished. All we've got to do is now find A, and A will come from equation 1. So we can say that A plus B we now know is 4 is equal to 7. So therefore, A is equal to 3. And those are your two answers.